Hi guys, welcome back to your channel. SADC has decided kusashandisa mazim elections as they were not credible according to the reports. Imwe iri kubva kuna Nevas Mumba and the other one that is coming from the elders vakatumwa kuzotarisa nyaya kuZimbabwe. On the other hand, the Gazette has actually published kuti Emmerson Mnangagwa is going to be president or akatotanga musi 26 to serve as the president of Zimbabwe. Saka hatichazivi kuti are we waiting for the international community or we are going to go ahead with the inauguration. Ignatius Chombo has been cleared of all charges against him, the fraud and corruption. He was arrested during the coup of 2017. Akaita 5 years achenda court. Varikuti there is no evidence at all. Musakanga moka kuti Ignatius Chombo uyu ndo baba va Pokelo anova iye mudzimai wechipiri wa Emmerson Jr., which makes them in-laws na mkuru wenyika President Emmerson Mnangagwa. Vane hama dzavo dzinogara muJoburg CBD, please make phone calls. Munzwisise kuti hama dzenyu dziri right here. There has been a fire that took place in the early hours of the morning. Kurikunze 63 people were reported dead. Vamwe they burnt beyond recognition. So guys, let's just make a follow up. Tinzo kuti vamwe vedu vari right here.